Hello and welcome to day 73 of Bedtime Welsh, and we've got a useful little extra thing for you now. This is going to help you fit some bits of sentences together in new ways, so I hope you'll find it quite good fun. And what this is the Welsh for that you. So where in English you might say, I heard that you like speaking Welsh. Okay, that kind of thing. So that you in Welsh is bod ti, which will often just sound like boti. So bod is the verb to be and ti is you. But bod is really flexible, does lots of different things, so don't worry about other stuff you'll hear it doing. So just for now, we're just going to do bod ti, so that you. So can you give me the Welsh for that you?
Bod ti.
Bod ti. So how about that you want?
Bod ti isio.
Bod ti isio. Now, if you got that right straight up, that's really brilliant because you've actually never heard ti isio together before. So that's brilliant. Bod ti isio. Okay, how about to hear that you want?
Clywed bo chdi isio.
Clywed bo ti isio. So you heard Angharad there say bo chdi, which you'll also hear, but probably easiest if you just stick to bo ti for now. Clywed bo ti isio. Okay, how about have heard that you want?
Wedi clywed bo chdi isio.
So you're going to say it like that every time. Okay, Angharad's being a little bit stubborn here. Wedi clywed bo ti isio. If you want to say bo chdi efo Angharad, that's fine. But I'm going to keep on saying bo ti because it's a bit easier for you. Wedi clywed bo ti isio. Okay, how about have heard that you want something?
Wedi clywed bo chdi isio rhywbeth.
Wedi clywed bo ti isio rhywbeth. Okay, last one for today. I have heard that you want something.
Dwi wedi clywed bo chdi isio rhywbeth.
Dwi wedi clywed bo ti isio rhywbeth. Okay, you've heard both options now, so that's probably a good thing. Well done for getting through that, and we'll have some more for you tomorrow. Hwyl am y tro.
Ta!